Alright, in the previous video we watched the PoBlocks Pokeys code in operation for our pulse width modulating DIMM circuitry. In this video, let's take a look at the actual circuit with the pulse width modulation wired to the display driver board, along with a bright dim switch and an on-off switch. And let's take a look at the end results of our project here as we dim and brighten the display in our prototype. Okay, so this is the Pokeys setup with, as you can see over here, a switch. This is the dim switch. This is the on-off switch. There's the Chris Moon shift register board. The only difference here, I'm not sure if I can zoom in or not, but you can see there's a couple of legs on the 74 HC 595s that are lifted, and those are brought back out over to the pulse width modulation output on the shift register. So we've got Falcon BMS running. I've changed the frequency to, I'm going to turn off this light, maybe you can see this a little easier, to 326.125, channel 7 in the simulation. And now what I'm going to go over here and do is I'm going to flip the bright dim switch to the dim position. And there's the dim position. It's not quite as obvious in the video that that's dimmed. Let me pull it on down a little bit more. So there's the dim, and there is the bright. Okay, I think that's fairly obvious. So we do have dim adjust capabilities with that pot. If I switch the unit to the off position, it actually changes the pulse width modulation such that the entire display is blanked. So there you have it. I think we have a solution for our UHF panel with a bright dim switch control and an adjustment so that we can adjust. Let's go back one more time to the dim so we can adjust the level of the dim display so that it matches whatever other indicators we have in our cockpit. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that.